Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen. So today I'm gonna make my all-time favorite, super tasty, restaurant-style Kadai Paneer Masala. This is one of my signature dishes which you will never wanna miss. So let's go. We'll start with heating a kadai and we'll add about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using the normal cooking oil, that is sunflower oil. And here I have my spices, that is 2 cloves, 1 cardamom and a piece of cinnamon. We'll start with adding 1/4 spoon of cumin into the hot oil. When it starts to splutter, we'll add the spices, the whole spices. Cook on low-medium flame, and now when the spices start releasing a nice aroma, we'll add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll add a pinch of salt so that the ginger garlic paste doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and we'll saute it for a while until the raw smell disappears. And now here I have 2 medium onions sliced, and along with it we will add 1 green chilli. We'll saute it until it turns light golden brown in color. Occasionally do sprinkle some water to avoid the onions from sticking to the bottom of the pan. So now it's done. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you don't have it, you can add the normal red chilli powder. And 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. We'll sprinkle some water so that the masalas don't get burnt. Okay, so we'll mix it all up. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here I have 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes sliced, so we'll add it to the kadai. Just mix it well and we'll cover it for about 2 minutes. This step helps soften the tomatoes faster. Remember to keep it on low flame. So now let's check after 2 minutes. Now that you can easily mash it with a spoon, I'll show you now. See? Just easily mash them. So saute till the tomatoes get nicely soft and mashed up. It's done, so we'll turn off the flame. We'll let it cool for some time before we grind it. So in the meantime, we'll heat a pan, add some oil, just about 2 teaspoons, and we're going to fry our paneer on this. Here I have about 15 pieces of paneer cubes, so I'll place it in the pan. Fry them on low-medium flame. Just flip them over after 2 minutes. Now I'll show you another step to add flavor to the gravy. Apply oil or ghee on a metal skewer and thread the paneer cubes onto it. We'll show it on open flame for just about few seconds. This will enhance the taste of the gravy by giving you a nice smoky flavor. It's done. So now our onion tomato has come to room temperature, so we'll grind it. So here I'm leaving out the whole spices. I'm not going to grind it as we will add garam masala later. So here I have soaked about 8 to 10 cashew nuts in hot water. We'll grind it with onion tomatoes to a nice fine paste. Okay, now we'll add the paste back to the kadai again. Just add some water into the blender and pour the remaining mixture into the kadai. Okay, so now we'll add some salt and 3/4 spoon of garam masala, 1/4 spoon of pepper. We'll mix it well. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we'll reduce the flame to low and we'll add about half cup of milk. Just add slowly and keep on mixing. As you add, keep on mixing. Don't let the milk curdle. Now we'll add the paneer cubes. Mix it gently. And now here's the trick. We'll add about 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. This gives that awesome tangy flavor to the gravy. And it's done. We'll garnish it with some cilantro or coriander leaves, whatever you call it. Now we'll transfer it to a serving bowl and drizzle it on top with a spoon of fresh cream. And here our most flavorful Kadai Paneer is ready to eat. So cook, share, enjoy.